On tonight's episode, Rupal got a body. And
so did 442.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Little breakdown on my Yeti. We're only going to show you
down here. You should check us out on Snapchat though. We post. Well, looks like it's just you and I tonight again.
some new tools. The rest of the two that we haven't shown you earlier.
It was actually 3. That should have been 4. But hey, that's minor details. I think we have.
Or smash something, I don't know.
Well, we're good at both, so. You gotta check out this year's Dust Off, June 1st, Ultra RC Hobbies parking lot, corner of Clarence and Taylor, and check out the footage from last. Welcome. Episode number 93.
9-3.
Ultra
it's
RC
like 7 away from 100.
Yeah. We'll get into something cool about 100 here in a couple minutes. You gotta stay tuned though.
I know 100 pennies makes $1. You can't get pennies anymore, so
nope.
Does $1 really exist? That's beside the point.
You're getting really deep. I don't know if we can get that deep on this episode. But anyway, he's Chris.
Aaron.
We're here. We're live.
We're not live, but I mean...
We're live on your YouTube channel right now.
When we film this, we are.
Yep. So, thank you for tuning in to the Ultra RC Hobbies YouTube channel.
Do you smell that?
No.
It smells like fresh paint.
Yeah. So what we do on this channel is we talk a lot about custom builds, obviously like this drag car sitting right in front of us. What we're going to talk about later with Project 442. We talk about racing.
Yep.
We have running footage, unboxings.
We do customer builds.
Yep. And Chris likes to beat the snot out of stuff.
Yeah.
So
I like to drive.
You should check out our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications when we drop a new video.
Yeah.
So let's get right into it. So as you can see, this is the brand new Corvette C7 Pro Mod body by Proline. And this got painted up by Hicks Creations there the last couple weeks. So it's a pretty sweet looking body. Oh,
don't wreck it,
a little bit low. But we'll throw some cool pictures. We took some cool Instagram pictures and some cool other stuff. So we'll throw those on your screen so you get a really good look at it. But yeah, he threw a lot of detail in it. Has the ice blue pearl on the bottom. Some of the cool hexagon shapes down the hood.
I can't wait to pass it.
Yeah, I mean, you can't say like in Fast and Furious they talked about you'll be looking at my taillights because it
doesn't have any.
It doesn't have any. So.
You'll be looking at my control arms.
Yeah, and my wheelie bar.
Yeah.
Had to paint it like orange or
and
something.
My motor.
Something bright.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like really make it stand out when you.
I'm gonna print out a picture of a big old booty and I'm gonna tape it to the back of the car.
No, because then Becky want to smash.
Smash it.
You're gonna just be like, oh, asphyxiated, boom! The Nova just rams into the Corvette, wrecks the body.
Ramrod.
So yeah, that's Rupal. So in the next couple weeks of the show, we'll be putting a motor and speed control into this.
Exciting, about time.
I know, right? I mean, we've been kind of going a little bit slow on this build.
We've got time.
But Chris is also going to be starting a really cool build too, using one of my old race cars. And we had a customer and a person on the YouTube channel actually ask us if we could get more in depth on the drag racing stuff. So this is actually something that we're going to do in the summer, and we'll be having on our Facebook Live videos every Thursday at about 6 o'clock. We'll be having a whole bunch of cool drag racing stuff. So don't forget to head over to our Facebook channel and our page and give that a like as well, so you don't miss out on that. But that's one of the new bodies we got. What else we got?
Look at that sick Ram Charger body from Proline for Project 442. Well, I guess it's not a project anymore.
No, it's a complete build now, my friend.
Look at that. Beautiful red and black. Like another Hicks creation.
Yep, and it has the nice Ultra RC Hobbies logo right in the side there.
Laid in, so it's not a sticker.
Yeah, it's actually laid into the paint. So yeah, talking about 442. We got some cool information about that. But what we got to tell the folks, Chris?
Hey guys, you want to win this thing? I know it doesn't look very good right now. The tires have a small flat spot in them.
Yeah, they've been sitting for a little while.
They've been sitting for a while. We are going to give 442 a full refurbish, a little tune-up. We're going to get it prepped for the body so the tires fit and everything. And then we are going to give it away to you guys.
For free.
For free.
So, what we're going to be doing on some future episodes, I think we're going to start on this episode, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
Oh, and then 100.
Yeah.
Yeah, that goes next.
You can math. He can add. I'm impressed. So what we're going to be doing is obviously, like Chris said, giving it away for free.
How do you enter this contest?
So the way you enter this contest is we're going to have a video up on our Facebook page for next week sometime. So today is going to be
Friday,
December what?
Friday feels like a Tuesday.
It does feel like Tuesday. December 6th. That's where we're at. December 6th. So Friday, December 6th
Yes.
will be where this video airs. So next Friday. So December the 12th. That's math, right? No, 13th.
Don't make me do math.
13th. A week. Yeah, 13th. So Friday the 13th, we'll have a video on how to enter on our Facebook page. So go over
Friday the 13th.
on Friday the 13th, the lucky number, right?
Yeah,
So Friday the 13th, we'll have a video up on our Facebook page that you enter on that. And that'll have its own contest rules, so please just watch the video that we have created for that to know how to enter. But it's going to be really simple. Like Chris said, we're going to be giving this away for free. So we're going to go through it, make sure there's no bent or broken parts on this truck, because we have run it a couple times. So we will be giving it a freshen up with some new frame rails and a bearing kit and some grease and a whole bunch of other stuff. But we're not going to give you guy or girl, whoever wins it, a broken truck. So we're going to make sure it's 100% ready to go.
Unless you let me drive it before you take it.
We're going to mount this new Ram Charger body on there.
And then I'll break it for you.
No, please don't break it. But that's going to be Project 442 and what we're going to be giving away on it. So, yeah. So please check out our Facebook page to keep an eye out for that video that we're going to be posting.
Yes. On Friday the 13th.
Correct. What he said. After that whole gabargle shenanigans.
He tried to make me do math.
2 + 2 is 4 - 1, that's 3. That is quick math.
Math's not hot.
Touche. Damn. But there you go. So this is kind of a short, sweet episode. We're getting closer and closer to that.
Oh, you think I'm sweet?
Big old December 25th, Christmas Day. So if you haven't checked out
coming up, man.
last 2 weeks ago,
Stocking
episode 91.
stuffers.
Episode 91, we talked about stocking stuffer ideas. Head over and watch number 91 if you're not sure what to get that RCer on the list. Or maybe you're the RCer on the list so you can build your own list
Yes.
to give to somebody to get you all the awesome RC stuff for Christmas.
Come get an SC28. It has awesome trucks.
They're a fun little truck. They
Cool
really
little
are.
Ford Fox body painting, the orange one.
Or even the Lucas one. I like the Lucas one.
Do you?
Yeah. We could race.
That's classic Team Associated though.
It really is.
Yeah.
The old car,
I always picture
car
their
rent-a-setter.
two-wheel drive with that body on it.
So we had a question on episode number 91. What is on your Christmas list? So please comment down below what's on your Christmas list, and let's ask Chris. Let's put Chris on the spot. What's on your Christmas list?
What's on my
dude?
Christmas list?
Yep.
Darn.
On
Well,
the
I
spot.
really want like a Tamiya King Hauler, but that's pretty soon for Christmas list.
A semi.
Yeah.
He wants a semi.
That's been on my list, so maybe stay
Oh,
tuned. 'Cause
done.
there might be a semi-build coming on. But I really want some tracks for my TRX-4. I think that would be cool. Go in this fresh snow with some nice tracks and get my life back on track. And it's the first step.
The first step is admitting it.
First step, getting life back on tracks, is getting some tracks.
What he said. What he said. I like it. I really do. So there we go.
What's on your list?
Honestly, what I want for Christmas this year is you.
Oh,
No, I'm just kidding.
gross.
No, I was looking at a motor and a speed control for
Ooh, the drag car?
Rupal, yeah. So we're pretty excited with that. Like I said, in the next future couple episodes, we'll be talking about a power system for that, and you'll
Yep.
see exactly what I want, what I put in. So
I know what you're putting in.
yeah, it is
I'm very afraid.
good. You should be very afraid.
Quivering in my boots.
Your boots, in your
My
booties.
booties.
But there we go. That is the end. So don't forget to comment down below what's on your Christmas list for this year.
Yes.
But that's the end of episode 93.
Make sure you like, comment as he said, and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that bell button to get notifications on when we drop a new video. Don't forget to check him out on all his social media platforms,
Yes.
RC Deebs. So he's on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Yes.
Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies.com. Don't forget to check out all of our social media platforms, Facebook, Snapchat, obviously you're on YouTube, and Instagram. We are always posting cool stuff about builds, about different things going on in the shop. So don't miss out on everyday life at Ultra C Hobbies. So thank you so much for tuning in.
Yes.
We really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.